Cold Hot Beer on Facebook Live. Now.
Now? You want me to hit it now?
Tune in.
Yeah?
Done.
Okay. I'm going to start this part right here.
Okay.
This Clutter Clarity is powered by Mr. Floor Cleaning Products. Do you have a disarrangement disorder? Can't seem to get that jumbled hodgepodge pile of chaos in one place? Maybe it's time for a little disposal, a little cleanup, a little eradication, evacuation, liquidation, and purgification. Here's Robbie with a tip on how to put some neatness into your disorder. This is Clutter Clarity on Mighty House. All right. Okay.
Okay, so we were talking earlier in the show. I had an actual Clutter Clarity.
You did?
Thing to talk
well, then
about.
do it.
I did. No, this is much, much better. Step up to the mic. Introduce yourself. Put your headphones on.
He's gonna throw himself into the Facebook Live feed then too.
Yeah, so oftentimes I'll go to people's houses and clean out
debris,
their closets and stuff, but I also clean out expired food. And this week,
so you go through the kitchens and just like.
Yes, this week we're looking at expired alcohol.
There's no such thing as expired alcohol.
Well, that's what Ron always says. So what I did is
or
expired
potato chips or Twinkies. It just doesn't happen.
If the bag is open, they're bad. But what we have here is some Henry's hard spiked sparkling water, and it's been in the client's refrigerator for quite a long time. And for 2 weeks, it's been in my car, and it's been 95 degrees in Chicago.
Sometimes. It's only got 92 calories, 2.6 carbs.
It says it's hard water. How can it have any calories?
I don't know. It's got 92
of them. And then we
them.
have a couple bottles of beer that have been sitting in a cooler in a garage since October. So it went through the freezing Chicago winter, and then it's gone through 95 degrees.
How do you know this is expired? This isn't expired.
Potentially, I don't know. However,
there is no date on
the client said it's probably been in the refrigerator for a couple of years.
Okay.
So what we're going to do, everybody, is... you guys are going to drink it. I'm sorry, who are we talking to over here?
I'm less than fuzzy Robbie.
Randall.
I'm Randall. Hi.
I'm doing...
Oh, that smells good.
Okay, well, so first up is the Henry's...
It smells good.
Hard sparkling water, which again has been in the client's garage refrigerator for many, many years, and for 2 weeks.
It can't have been in the client's for many, many years. This hasn't been out for many, many years.
I was just going to say the same thing. Didn't they just come out with that stuff 2 months ago?
This is actually a nice light drink, so let's give it a shot.
We brought cups, dude. We brought cups. So you and Ron don't have to drink out of the same bottle.
Well we're going to give you some.
Yeah.
No.
You got to drink too.
No, we're not. So it's too late now.
Why?
That you're...
I don't have cooties.
Okay.
What's wrong?
Just worry about backwash.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. That's
then
exactly what it is.
More of a reason to drink it. Then.
So then it's been in my car in the heat for 2 weeks.
I mean, it's not horrible tasting.
It's soapy.
It's a little soapy. I think that's the...
It's soapy?
It's well, you don't want to try it, but it's got like a soapy taste to it.
Right. The alcohol itself is not bad. It's just that's the taste of it. It's a seltzer
really?
water.
Oh.
And it's warm.
It tastes like bad dishwater.
A little bit of a soapiness there is not a horrible
The bad thing is that you would know what bad dishwasher water tastes like.
Hey, when you're desperate, you're desperate, man.
4% alcohol, hard sparkling, sparkling water.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sparkling water with alcohol. That's it. But I still don't know how they got 92 calories out of that.
Because alcohol is calorie. Yeah, alcohol is sugar.
Okay.
Alcohol. Yeah, but alcohol is the conversion from sugars to alcohol.
Right, alcohol.
Yeah. But so I can't imagine. I would never think it'd have that many calories.
Ugh.
Yeah.
I know my Jameson doesn't have 92 calories a shot.
Have some water.
That.
We'll turn that off.
You know,
now.
I leave the board for 5 seconds, and
the show goes to heck.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so we're gonna say that the Spard Harkling. How much have I had to drink today?
None. Okay. You need more.
Let's go to the beer.
The beer.
The beer.
We got to get rid of this.
Has
stuff.
an expiration date.
So here, we're just going to use this cup.
De Beers, I thought they made diamonds.
Yeah.
The beer has an expiration date of February on there.
Oh, that's going to be fine.
And it's been in a cooler in a garage
Yeah.
Is it okay?
It has a great
yeah.
scent to it.
It's got
Great head, good
yeah.
scent.
It's got good. It's all right.
It didn't even skunk out either. No, that's a good beer.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
That's good. That's a good beer.
that is.
What is the name of that beer?
This is Odell Brewing's IPA out of Colorado.
Oh yeah. Here, give me some more.
All right.
I'm just shaking my head.
There you go.
I'm just shaking
Well,
my head.
IPAs are good, so that's got to be nice and hoppy.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's
It had a
got-
great
Nice and
flavor
hot,
to
is
And
that
it
what you
should be
said?
like a 6.9, 7%. Be a nice one.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody said explosive diarrhea. I don't know why they would say explosive diarrhea.
No,
But,
we got 1 minute.
So go
okay, and we have 1 minute, and we have another beer to taste.
Can we try that one?
We also put
That's
in
not bad.
an expired soft drink, but we'll have to taste that during the break and let you know what we think about it.
That-
Who
That's-
would want to drink that?
That's not going to be a problem.
It's not going to be a problem.
No.
Very nice. Just chug that stuff.
Chug this stuff. This
So
is
what do we
this is a
have?
Pilsner. I don't have my. What is that?
It says Pilsner Urquell,
Okay.
brewed in Plzeň, Czech, the original Pilsner.
Oh, it's in Czechoslovakia.
Okay, and this
That's good.
expired.
Okay, here, let's try that.
And the shipping container on its way here.
It's okay.
Is it ruined, or is
No.
it that's the taste of the
just-
beer?
Yeah. It's kind of got a Heineken type of a taste to it.
This is Mighty House. Mighty House will return